to burn up this from that, and it will look like this. I don't know what I'm gonna do, bro. My grandpa is literally behind me. Wala, nagre-record ako ng video. And well, I'm Filipino, so like and subscribe before I burn this, and like and subscribe to if you're Filipino. I guess that will work. So now let's just look how burned it is. It was look like this earlier, but now when I burn this, it look like this, bro. Say hi to the video. My grandfather's really shy. Okay, let's just burn this. And I'm gonna do a face reveal now. Even I did that in my personal videos. So I'm just gonna face reveal. Even I revealed my face to all my videos. But let's just reveal my face. 3, 2, 1. That was my face reveal. So don't mind the thing that I do that. Don't mind things that I usually not do. But this one, burning things, yeah, bro. I did that a lot of times. When I see this thing, I extremely burn this, bro. Did I just rebuild? I just rebuild my secret, guys. And I don't care. I don't have a camera, and I can film this from another one. And I really feel like I'm gonna film my other video for part 2 on Roblox. I'm gonna do Just Impress. I just don't have a camera. I mean, phone to film this. To play. So I'm just gonna have to beg my grandfather for his phone tomorrow. Look at that, bro. My grandmother's phone that I'm using right now is Infinix, and my grandpa's phone is Infinix too. BTW. I gotta burn this thing, bro. I gotta burn this thing. Okay, the cover is not clear, bro. Just turn around and boom. Say hi, Tay. Say hi.
Huwag mo ko binibidyoan kasi masakit yung ulo ko.
Sorry! Let's just burn this. It's stuck! It's stuck, bro. It's stuck. Yeah, that scream is personal.
Huwag ka maglaro ng katol, ha? Nagkalasin yung katol.
We gotta run. Hello, Dete. Say hi for the video. Yep, you don't want to listen. Hey, Ate Bes, wanna say hi to the video? Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe for part 2.